Tinatanong niya, what is the balance? What is her policy that can balance the situation sa WPS? Well, the perspective of the Vice President, regardless kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan niya, will definitely serve as a balance because after all, she is the successor to the position in case of unavailability, death, or incapacity of the President. Her input, regardless whether you agree to it or not, is something that her office is entitled to be part of the conversation. Balance yung nakapagsalita siya. Kasi opisina niya yun. At siya ay may stake sa leadership. Kung sakaling kunwari, maudi yan si Bongbong. Yung stand niya about WPS, regardless yan. Whether supportive siya kay Bongbong or posing yung stand niya or whatever. Regardless. Kasi pagka kunwari, yung national security plan ni BBM caused the demise of the president itself. For the sake of argument lang who's gonna take over? The Vice President. Kaso ginawa mong bulag yung Vice President.